Snowky, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Natasha Denona Triochrome eye palette. It is a big palette, so 15 shades for £111. Quite a bit of money. That's why I got it a little bit later because I wasn't so sure if I should get it, but it's here now. So if you're interested in this Natasha Denona Triochrome big palette, or you would like to know what kind of eye looks you can create with this one, keep watching. Okay, for this Triochrome palette, there are 15 shades. 12 of them are matte texture, only 3 in the middle are multichrome shades. So we start from the first row. The first one, Scrap. It's the darkest shade of this palette, the dark muddy green. The second one, Androdite. It's a milky green, can be a base color. The third one, the first multichrome shade, Scarab. You can see an antique gold and green from different angles. It's very beautiful. Texture is really buttery as well. The fourth one, Iron. It's even a lighter green. For some angle, it's looking like yellow. The fifth shade, Vert. It's a yellowy grass green. Very easy to apply on, not so much fallout. Great pigmentation as well. Okay, the second row, the first shade, Naga. It's a lilac color, light pinkish purple. The second shade, Manganese. It's a darker purple, pinkish purple. The third shade, the multichrome shade, Kinetic. This one you can see a blue, purple, and pink from different angles. The fourth shade, Redox. It's a lavender shade, grayish purple. And the fifth shade of this row, Tungsten. It's a grayish purple, very beautiful, very elegant. Can easily create a daily eye look. Okay, the first shade of the third row, Vertex. It's a darker beige, can be a base color as well. The second shade, Plutonian. It's a pumpkin yellow, very autumny shade. The third shade, multichrome shade of this row, Color Flip. You can see pink, peachy, and brown from different angles. A beautiful shade. The fourth shade, Garment. Light peachy brown, slightly darker than Diatonic. Can be a good match with it. The last shade of this palette, Diatonic. It's a peachy shade, very useful shade. After trying on 4 looks with this Triochrome palette, me personally quite enjoy using it. I've seen some negative feedback, mainly talking about there are too many matte shades in this palette. Also the selling point, the Triochrome shades, they are not as strong as we imagine or like what we saw on social media. Maybe you can call it dual chrome, but Triochrome is a little bit pushing it. It's definitely not as vivid as Pomegranate or the previous Natasha Denona's Chromium, the liquid eyeshadow. Apart from that, the texture of matte shades are really amazing. It's not too dry, very easy to apply on, not too much fallout, high pigmented. I've got nothing to complain. Maybe can be slightly more dark shades in this palette because I could only see one shade dark enough for my Asian crease. And for the Triochrome shades, high pigmentation, buttery texture, just not strong shifts. It's still pretty, especially the green one. I like that one the most. For the price of this Triochrome palette, £111, it's a standard big palette price for Natasha Denona. Yes, I have to admit, you need to think a little bit longer before you get it. If you're looking for a beautiful color story matte palette, this one is not bad. You have 12 top standards matte shades plus 3 Triochrome/duochrome shades. Yeah, it's not so bad. And I can definitely see myself using this palette a lot more for a beauty shoot or editorial shoot. So here it is, what I thought about this new Natasha Denona Triochrome palette. As always, let me know what you think, if you like it or not, or which eye look I created today you couldn't wait to try it on yourself. Leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you next time. Bye bye!